Hi guys, Crystal here from Christico Design. Today I am working up a little swatch to show you how to do what's called a standing stitch, which is an alternative to the chain 3 out of the start of a row. You can see here I've done just the standard chain 3 and it leaves that gap. And then on the other end here I have done the standing stitch I'm going to show you today, which fills in that space and gives it more of a substantial stitch quality because it is a stitch. So I'm going to turn my work, and the first thing I'm going to do is go right back into the same stitch where I'm at. Instead of chaining, I'm just going to pull up my working yarn, and I'm going to insert my hook right inside here. And I'm going to yarn over and pull up a loop, so I have 2 loops on my hook, yarn over and pull through those 2. So essentially I've made a chain, single crochet right here without using the traditional chain 1 at the beginning like I normally would. Then I'm going to chain 2 to get the height of a double crochet. Then if I go ahead and do a couple regular double crochets right here, you can see how that fills the gap, oops, quite nicely at the start of a row. And when you come back around, you're going to work right into that top 3rd chain like you normally would. And you can see it just takes up the space there much better. So there's a little bit more gaping up towards the top, but it fills it much better with the starting with the single crochet there.